Hey guys, FjCuts here, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. This one is the every haircut challenge by 360 Jeezys. So I managed to get a lot of bookings in for Saturday just for this video. I ain't done that in a while, but I tried. So yeah, I hope you guys do like this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. There's gonna be a perm tutorial with it, so if you guys want to see the whole tutorial of that, it will be uploaded after this video, so make sure you do stay tuned. But yeah, no questions asked, let's go straight right into it. If you do like it, thumbs up. If you don't, comment down below what I should improve on. But yeah.